Today we have a 2006 Monterey 194 FS. Trailer has a spare tire, swing tongue. Has a Mercruiser 5.0 TKS in it. Has ladders in the front and the back. Extended swim platform. The boat has 608 hours. Does have a transom walkthrough. You just lift up those cushions. Let's go in here. Tilt steering. Bolster seats. Kenwood stereo, depth finder, compass, rated for 9 passengers. Stereo is in the glove box. Got a little built-in cooler. Plenty of seating in the bow. There's that other ladder. Walk-through windshield. Cockpit bow cover and bimini top. Dual batteries with a switch. And there's the motor. We do offer financing at SkipperBud's.